Thank you for giving me this opportunity to also speak after the presentation that elder brother made to us. Foilat wirodi kachel kilo dirumokana duchmautikan. I want to respond on two areas. That of the separation of the authentic gospel of Christ from the other baggages that came with it. And then the other one, why do we not recognize our local heroes? So I think on the first one, separating the authentic gospel from the other things that came with it, I think this is a subject that is really, really very important for all of us. You talked about the religious leaders to revisit this, but I want to open it up to all of us to look into this matter. We have a culture which is so rich as the Acholis, or let me say the Luo generally. But as we all know, every culture has very excellent things about them, but also things that are not good about all cultures, including the one that brought the gospel to us. So as faith leaders, yes, let us revisit these areas and let us see what are some of these things that make it difficult for us to believe in one God, the one true God who created the heavens and the earth, and then allow our people to worship as Africans, to worship as Luos, without necessarily being hindered by all these other things that have come along with the gospel. I also would like to challenge all of us. Why don't we sit down and think through our culture? Can we say everything about our culture is good and holy and to be taken just like that? Or is it time for us to stand up and say, yes, we are Luos, but this is not Luo because they are not good for our people? That is the kind of thing or the kind of direction I would want us to think through. So yes, from the faith-based leadership, but also from the cultural perspective, but also for some of us who are in the academia, let us now focus attention on our culture, take out the good things, promote them, and then show out the bad ones, and then disassociate ourselves from them. The second area that I thought we need to think about is that which Dr. Laratuno brought out. Our heroes are not recognized. And yet the people who are recognized, nobody knows anything about them, apart from just a few people. The question I would want us to ask is, how does this happen? A community like ours that is so rich with heroes, Olaratuno was saying that if he started to count, he would count endlessly. But then, the system somehow recognizes non-heroes and leaves out the heroes. Where is the problem? How did we get there? What can we do about this? How can we begin now to promote our local heroes and then sell them to the younger people that, look, this street has been given to this person because this person was A, B, C, D. Now the street names that we see here, I don't know, but there are people who have the prerogative for naming those streets and whatnot. Maybe they need to be talked to, and then maybe there should be another authority that should be looking into these things. How do you celebrate somebody who is not known by everybody else? There must be a very good reason for somebody to be nationally or recognized at the level that Olaratuno was talking about. Thank you so much.